Hello everyone and welcome to another video tour by JerusalemExperience.com. And today we are visiting the Monastery of St. Gerasimos, also known by its Arabic name Deir Hajla. The monastery is located in the Judean desert north to the Dead Sea and near Qasr el-Yaoud, the baptism site of Jesus in the Jordan River. It's also very close to the city of Jericho. There is a famous story attributed to Gerasimos and this monastery. One day Gerasimos saw a lion roaring in pain. When he approached the lion without any fear, he saw a thorn in its paw. After removing it, the lion stayed with Gerasimos, followed him to the monastery, and stayed there protecting Gerasimos and the monastery. Later on, the story tells us how the lions rescued the community donkey from a group of thieves and returned it together with a camel. Now let's visit the Monastery of St. Gerasimos. The site got its name after Gerasimos settled there in the middle of the 5th century, first as an eremit in a cave near the Jordan River, and later on in the monastery that was built on this site. On the first floor there is a crypt dedicated to Mary. According to tradition, the Holy Family, together with baby Jesus, stayed in this crypt on their way to Egypt while escaping from Herods. Here is an icon showing Mary breastfeeding baby Jesus.
Полностью его реставрировали. Почему? Фрески, которые мы видим, они святых, сохранились.
As we mentioned before, the monastery was built during the second half of the 5th century. The monastery flourished until the 7th century when the Persians rampaged and destroyed it while massacring all the monks. The monastery was rebuilt again in the 9th century but was destroyed and rebuilt and destroyed several times in the following centuries. During the 19th century, the Greek Orthodox Church rebuilt the monastery at the site we are visiting today.
Devoto